one last final battlefield for the king of football. Chaurakna 2 decades. FIFA World Cup 2026. One last roar, one last celebration, one last dance. Lionel Messi, from a magical boy in Rosario to the king of world football. Manglan amaga loinana record kaya ama mahaga thugaikre. Konathangda World Cup winner 2022. Haujik mahaki sahi 38. Mahaksu same saduna one last final World Cup chapter ama semnaba mahak laikre. Mahaki fans singna mahakpu yengnaba kaurang na ngaiduna leinakre. Mahaki every touch of the ball, every dribble, every goal which feels like history. Anisubada Miami fans, Cristiano Ronaldo, with discipline, power, dedications, a man who turns hard work into greatness. Miyoi kayani mahaki mataw tamariba Cristiano Ronaldo inspired millions never give up. Mahaki sahi 41 years old. 2026 World Cup na mahakisu Aroeba final World Cup oirabayay haina panari. Makatarakpada panbayay Luka Modrić, 40 years old, the silent warrior of midfield, a genius who lead Croatia to miracles. Marisubada mayamgi big fan Neymar Jr., the prince of Brazilian football. The streets of Brazil still believe one final samba remains. Mipum kudingbang nangainari 2026 FIFA World Cup. Nation ahum na host oigadaba World Cup 2026. Haibadi United States, Mexico, and Canada. Across 16 cities, FIFA World Cup 11 June dagina 19 July 2026 fawani. Ahanba oina tournament asigi 48 teams sarugyagadori. Opening match ki tamak Mexico City da. Aduga final match na MetLife Stadium, New Jersey dani. Karak kuptarabada in details host cities in USA gi haibadi Atlanta, Boston, Dallas, Houston, Kansas City, Los Angeles, Miami, New York, New Jersey, Philadelphia, San Francisco Bay Area. Asina singbani. Mexico gi city singdi Guadalajara, Mexico City, Monterrey. Aduga Canada gi host city singdi Toronto, Vancouver. FIFA World Cup 2026 ki final venue di MetLife Stadium, New Jersey. Opening match na Stadio Azteca, Mexico City. Planet asida achowa event ama oiriba football gi masana. The biggest football event on the planet is coming. 2026 World Cup. Kwaidigi chawba World Cup oigadori. Haibadi maramdi more teams, more matches, more excitements. Mamang da sanakiba World Cup tagi handaki sina anuba oigadori. Haibadi tournament asi nation ahumda sanagadabani. United States, Canada, amasung Mexico. Organized by FIFA. Miyoi millions fans kaya na. Mafam aduda pungadori amadi last final battlefield oinasu thengnagadori. Record oina handaki World Cup asina record oina 48 teams na sarukyagani. Hanadi 32 teams khaktani. 12 groups laigani. Haibadi more matches, more countries, and more unforgettable moments. Tournament asi across multiple cities amasung world-class stadium singda sanagani in North America. Panbayaba city singdi New York, Los Angeles, Toronto, Mexico City, asina singbani. Tournament asigi ahanbada group stage matches sanagani. Mathangda round of 32. Mathangda round of 16. Then it comes quarter-final. Round of 16 ni matunda quarter-final. Mathangda semi-final. And the grand final. Nungay raba matches mayam amagi matunda and with World Cup final. Ikon kon maduna final loriba nation aduna will lift the famous trophy and become the world champions. Aroeba 2026 FIFA World Cup promises unforgettable goals, dramatic matches, and football history. Are you ready for the biggest World Cup ever? Masini mayamda tentak na pijakiba World Cup 2026 ki information. Thank you everyone. Yai fari.